Hello everyone. Today I'll show you how to add PayPal to your Etsy seller account. Before we get started, make sure you already have a seller account set up. If you don't, go ahead and create one first. Once your seller account is ready, let's proceed. First, log into your Etsy account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the option labeled Shop Manager. You'll find it at the top of your Etsy dashboard. Click on Shop Manager. This will take you to the back office of your shop where you can manage all the settings and features for your store. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a navigation panel. Click on Finances and then select Payment Settings. Clicking on Payment Settings will take you to a page where you can manage how you accept payments from your customers. Depending on your location and the specifics of your account, you might see different options available under Etsy Payments. These options typically include Visa, MasterCard, American Express, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. One of the options you should see listed is PayPal, and that's the payment method we're focusing on today. If PayPal is available for your account, you'll see it as one of the payment options. Enabling this option allows your buyers to use PayPal when checking out from your shop, giving them more flexibility and convenience. Now let's go back to the Etsy homepage for a quick example. Imagine a buyer is browsing your shop or exploring other products on Etsy. When they click on a product to purchase, they'll be taken to the checkout page. Here, they'll see all the available payment methods, including PayPal if it's been properly set up in your account. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to add PayPal to your Etsy seller account. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides and tutorials.